All right, here's something it'll probably blow your mind. 85% of millionaires follow one simple grocery rule, a rule that most people completely ignore. And it's not what you think. See, while you might be wandering the aisles, buying whatever catches your eye, the wealthy, they're executing a completely different strategy, one that saves them thousands and, get this, builds their wealth every single week. So today, I'm going to reveal exactly how rich people buy groceries, how they meal prep, and why their bulk buying habits are the complete opposite of what you'd probably expect. This is the rich mindset on BuildSider. Okay, so let me tell you about something I witnessed that it just completely changed how I think about grocery shopping. So I was consulting for this wealthy client, and she opened what I thought was a linen closet, but instead, wow, I found an entire room that looked like a luxury boutique stock room. I'm talking designer handbags, still in boxes, cases of like $200 bottles of wine, shelves lined with premium olive oil that was worth more than most people's entire grocery budget. And that's when it hit me. Wealthy people don't just shop differently, they think about consumption in a fundamentally different way. So here's the first secret. Rich people never, ever shop without a plan. According to a 2024 Ramsey Solutions study of actual millionaires, not wannabes, but verified millionaires, 85% always make a shopping list. But here's where it gets really interesting. 28% stick to that list religiously, while 57% use it as more of a strategic guide. Why does this matter? Well, because impulse buying is the enemy of wealth building. The average American household, they spend about $314 per month on impulse purchases. That's $3,768 per year that could be invested instead. At a 7% return, that's over $50,000 in wealth just lost over 10 years. Wow. Now, here's where most people get it wrong. You might think, oh, rich people must shop at discount stores to save money. Wrong. While 28% of high-income households do shop at discount chains like Aldi occasionally for specific items, their primary strategy is completely different. Wealthy people buy premium quality. Why? Because they understand something most people don't. Cheap food is actually expensive food. When you buy low-quality ingredients, you're buying empty calories, poor nutrition, and just reduced energy. This all leads to decreased productivity, more sick days, and down the line, higher healthcare costs. I've shopped with wealthy individuals, and their carts, they look like rainbows, just fresh, colorful, nutrient-dense foods. They're not just feeding their bodies, they're fueling their money-making machines. Time is their most valuable asset, and quality nutrition, it protects that investment. But here's where wealthy people really separate themselves from everyone else: their bulk buying strategy. Most people think bulk buying means stocking up on, toilet paper and canned beans. The wealthy? Oh, they're stockpiling completely different items. They're buying cases of premium olive oil directly from Italian producers, multiple bottles of expensive wine that will actually appreciate in value, high-end supplements and vitamins, even designer items before prices increase. See, they're not buying in bulk to save a few pennies. They're buying in bulk to maintain their lifestyle standards without any interruption. Mark Cuban, worth $5.7 billion, he admits he buys all his toothpaste once a year on Amazon. And why? Because the best financial move you can make is to be a smart shopper. When you find quality products at good prices, you secure your supply before those prices inevitably increase. Here's another crucial difference: shopping frequency. Rich people, they shop once per week maximum. They plan their trips strategically, usually Friday evenings or Sunday afternoons. They know exactly when they're going because they understand that multiple grocery trips, they're just wealth killers. Every extra trip to the store costs you time, gas, and it exposes you to more impulse purchases. Rich people batch their shopping just like they batch everything else in their lives. They're optimizing for efficiency, not convenience. And increasingly, they're shopping online. Amazon Fresh, Whole Foods Delivery, and other premium grocery services. They're paying for convenience because their time is worth so much more than the delivery fee. Think about it. When you make $500 an hour, paying $20 for grocery delivery is a 96% discount on your time. It's a no-brainer. Speaking of smart money moves, if this strategy is opening your eyes to how differently rich people think about just everyday purchases, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to BuildSider. We expose the lies about money and show you exactly how to build real wealth no matter where you start. And here's something a little exclusive for you. Click the link in the description to discover how ordinary people are using these exact principles to build million-dollar online businesses from scratch. The strategies I'm sharing today, they're just a beginning. Now, let's dive into the meal prep secrets that rich people use to stay ahead. Here's something most people never connect. Meal prep isn't just about health, it's about wealth multiplication. Let me break down the math that rich people just seem to understand intuitively. The average American household spends about $3,526 per year eating out. But wealthy people, they cook at home strategically. Not because they can't afford restaurants, of course, but because they understand the true cost of convenience. When you meal prep like the wealthy do, you're not just saving money, you're gaining time, energy, and mental clarity. Rich people, they batch cook on Sundays. They prepare protein, vegetables, and grains in huge quantities. They use premium ingredients, sure, because quality matters, but they're still spending way less per meal than eating out. But here's the real wealth secret. They invest the difference, emphatically. That $3,526 saved from eating out, if you invest it at an 8% annual return, becomes $38,000 over 10 years. Meal prep literally builds wealth. Wealthy people don't just buy in bulk, they have systems to manage it all. They invest in proper storage, wine refrigerators, vacuum sealers, chest freezers, pantry organization systems. They treat their kitchen like a business operation because it generates a real ROI. They label everything with dates. They rotate their stock like a grocery store manager. They track what they have so they never double buy. This isn't obsessive, it's strategic, firm. Food waste is money waste, and wealthy people minimize waste in every single area of their lives. Now, where do wealthy people actually shop? Here's what surprised me. Costco is absolutely dominated by high-income shoppers. A 2023 study found that Costco shoppers have, significantly higher incomes than Sam's Club shoppers. And why is that? Because Costco offers premium quality at bulk prices. Their Kirkland Signature brand, for example, rivals name brands in quality, but costs a lot less. Wealthy people love this because they get the premium products without the premium retail markups, but they also shop at high-end grocery stores for specific items, Whole Foods for organic produce, specialty stores for unique ingredients. They're not loyal to one store, they're loyal to value and to quality. So let me summarize the wealthy grocery blueprint that can transform your finances. First, always shop with a strategic list. This one habit alone can save you thousands annually by just, cutting out impulse buys. Second, buy premium quality because cheap food is expensive in the long run. Invest in your energy, invest in your productivity. Third, master bulk buying, but buy the right items. Focus on non-perishables, quality ingredients, and things you use consistently. Fourth, shop once per week with military precision. Batch your shopping like wealthy people batch everything else. And fifth, invest in storage systems and meal prep. Turn your kitchen into a wealth-building operation. The wealthy understand something that most people miss. Every single dollar saved on smart shopping is a dollar that can be invested to build real, lasting wealth. I want to hear from you. What's the biggest change you're going to make to your grocery strategy after hearing this? Drop a comment below and let me know which of these wealthy habits you're implementing first. And if you're ready to discover more secrets about how the wealthy really think about money, watch this video next about why rich people write wills early. It'll reveal another surprising habit that separates the wealthy from everyone else. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to BuildSider for more money truths that will change your financial future. Thanks for watching, and remember, wealth isn't just about how much you make, it's about how intelligently you think about every dollar you spend.